Shall we fix LED bulbs at home? Stay with SetNFix. I have received 2 LED bulbs but burnt. I will give the power to the bulbs to check the bulbs. This bulb is burnt. Not lighting. Let's check the other one. You can see, it is lighting. But not fully. If we open the cover, we can check the inside. There can be seen a burnt bulb clearly. I will give the power without the cover to check the bulb more. The bulb is slightly lighting even if one cell is burnt. This is because of the burnt bulb is short. Shall we check the inside of the other bulb as well? There is no significant burning mark on any SMD. But if you looked at the SMDs carefully, you can see a bulb with a black dot mid of the SMD. I wanted to note the both as to show you the types of SMD which can be burnt. Then you can find the issues without taking much time. Burnt marks are more helpful to understand the issues than burnt without any sign. Now, I am going to remove the SMD that I suspected as burnt. I am not using a hot gun or any other soldering device. It is just a paper cutter. Put some tin to the path of the SMD bulb removed. It will help you to solder the new SMD bulb. I couldn't find the same SMD bulbs to replace with the burnt bulb. However, I am using a SMD with same voltage but the size is bigger than the required one. I used my DIY hot plate to remove the SMD bulbs and, shall we solder the SMDs to check the result? Do not worry about the side of the bulb. I am just expecting the light of the bulb but not about the replaced SMD bulb. Because it is difficult to solder as normally due to the size of the SMD bulb. Everything is perfect. Shall we check the bulb giving the power to the LED? You must replace the plastic cover before giving the power for your own safety. If you can fix such burnt bulbs, you can save a lot of money and use those for your future experiments. I hope you have learnt something more about LED bulb repairing. If so, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have repaired bulbs with complicated issues, do not forget to put your experiences in the comments. Until next project, stay with SetNFix.